Transistors are basically like really tiny light switches. Put a chip under a microscope and you will see a dense and layered network of pathways. This is an integrated circuit built to move electrical signals around. But if you want to do something useful with those signals, such as processing logical instructions or storing bits of information, that's where transistors come in. A transistor consists of a few things. It has a channel that electricity flows through when a transistor is switched on. We insulate the channel. The current enters the channel through a source and leaves through a drain. And a gate controls the flow of the current through the channel. There are many different transistor designs, but they all use these basic principles. A transistor needs to do three things extremely well. First, it should allow as much current as possible to flow when it's on. Second, it should minimize leakage, current that sneaks through when it's off. And third, it must be able to switch quickly between on and off. And the cool thing about it all, it turns out the smaller we make transistors, the more efficiently they work. The miniaturization of transistors and the falling cost to produce them has created an amazing trend. Find out more in the next episode.